What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a BFF does my makeup challenge. So I've been wanting to do this video ever since I started my channel. It's taken me 4 years to convince Aditya to do this challenge. I actually wanted to do it with all of my guy friends, but I thought it would get a bit much, 4 or 5 guys trying to do my makeup at once. So I thought we'll just start off with Aditya and then we can move on to the other guys in a different manner, like with a spin. We'll figure that out eventually, but I hope you guys are excited to watch today's video and yeah, let's just get started. क्या बोल के स्टार्ट कर?
Hi everyone.
नहीं, वो इंट्रो में अलग से करना है.
अच्छा तो क्या? So I have Aditya with me here today and
So I finally have Aditya here with me after a lot of convincing. We're doing this video. So I've given him my makeup bag. This is my everyday bag. इसमें से you can find stuff and I've given you options for each. So like foundation के 2-3 variety, concealer के 2-3 variety. You can pick and choose. Cool? So I think let's just get started. So what's the first step?
moisturizer.
Perfect. I'm just gonna apply the moisturizer myself because I get very weird about people touching my face. Ironic that you have to do my makeup in today's video, but you'll be using sponge या फिर brush, so it's okay.
मैं तो हाथ से लगाऊंगा.
Ew. Oh, by the way, I've also asked you guys on Instagram to ask us questions. So as we do the makeup, we'll be answering questions also, and you have to also answer because otherwise people keep saying that I don't let him talk. So you better answer the questions as well.
I'm already busy doing makeup. How can I answer?
So you can chime in beach mein.
That's fine.
I'm ready. So basically, Aditya has seen me doing my makeup at least 100 times. बस. Okay, I'm not supposed to say. Sorry. So let's see कितना observe किया है.
So I hate liquidy gooey stuff.
So he's mixing 2 foundations. So we're on a good start. Also, he washed this beauty blender himself. He actually does that quite often. Because I ask him to wash my beauty blender for me a lot of times. So
It
he
needs
knows.
to be damp, not wet. So
That's
you
good.
wash it and then you soak it twice.
Squeeze it out twice.
Squeeze it out twice.
Correct. Ready? I think once he starts blending, we'll start with the questions. Right now, he's under a lot of pressure. He did not want to do this video. बहुत मुझे torture करके, convincing, threatening, bribing सब करना पड़ा. So should I start with the questions?
Never drag, guys. Only pat and
Only bounce this
only
one.
bounce the sponge.
He's watched my videos. He watched so many of my videos. Oh, I know that Adya used to do a lot of your makeup when you were younger. His sister Adya, right? But no like foundation और ऐसा सब नहीं, right?
नहीं ये सब नहीं. सिर्फ
Lipstick?
लिपस्टिक वगैरह तो
Powder?
हाँ पाउडर जो भी 2-3 ऑयल्स और कॉस्मेटिकल जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते थे ना वो सब मिक्स कर देने के और आद्या के प्रोडक्ट्स बना के मैं बेचारा बकरा छोटा सा बच्चा उसके ऊपर ट्रायल चलता था.
Okay, so let's start with the first question. The first question is how did you guys meet? This was the question that I got सबसे ज़्यादा.
मूवी बंद कर दिया.
बोल तो how did we meet?
शॉर्ट में कि लॉन्ग में?
Medium.
शॉर्ट में बोलने का है तो स्कूल.
So basically, we were in the same school from 7th standard till 10th standard. And we first met when we were like 11 or 12 years old, barabar. So yeah, we were 11 or 12 when we met. But I think we became friends when we were in like 10th. I mean, we knew of each other. We were in the same class. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 4 saal. But we became like friends in 10th, correct?
Yes.
And also another question was, since how many years do you guys know each other? I think 10 years?
मेरे को ऐसे तू मैथमेटिकल क्वेश्चन मत पूछ
अभी. Too much concentration. Let's do a quick math session. 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th, 12th, first year, second year, third year. पकड़ लो 10-12 साल हुए ऊपर नीचे. Okay, next question is whose idea was it to start Simba Lifestyle?
Both of us wanted to start the business together.
Yeah.
So I think.
But I think it was my idea.
I knew that.
I mean, I always wanted to start a business and I think he was the perfect person to start it with because both of us are very different. I mean, we're similar but very different. Like I am creative and he's like very like logical and like he could handle the logistics, the financial aspect, which I couldn't, and then
Because I'm logical, I can handle logistics.
no,
Then
just you do handle logistics also now. You guys get the point. So it was a good decision that we started. But I think after starting YouTube, we decided to start a business. I mean, obviously that's how it panned out. But that was how we got the idea. Did we answer the question? Whose idea was it to start?
both of us.
Both our ideas. Should I not see the makeup at all right now?
नहीं ऐसा मत करना please. Last में कुछ तो अजीब ही आएगा.
So do you want me to see it?
Yeah, but once I'm done with each step.
You're gonna take like 30 minutes to blend my foundation.
अब जो है वो है. It's okay. I'm going for that extra Indian wedding look. Okay?
Oh, by the way, Aditya asked me to wear a mint top. So I'm assuming that he's gonna do a mint color ka eyeshadow. Am I right? I know I'm
What
right.
if I just want to make you look funny?
By doing a different color? I don't think so. I'm sure he wants to be able to do a look which is like perfect, where I could like step out also.
To go.
Good to go. What's the next step then?
Concealer.
That's correct. ये जो foundation बच गया उसका क्या करे?
Product wastage.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's my first time.
Press कर उसमें से निकलेगा product. Okay. Sorry, I can't keep my mouth shut. Explain what you're doing.
Yeah, and I'm applying concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose.
Okay, so someone asked, once you've mentioned that I am an economics graduate, what are your qualifications? People want to know what are your qualifications.
So I too am an economics graduate. We both graduated from the same college, Ruya College, and after that I did a LLB, 3-year LLB course from Government Law College, Churchgate.
GLC.
Yeah, so I have currently 2 graduate degrees.
He's a double graduate,
Double graduate.
basically, yeah. So those are his education qualifications. What are you doing right now in life?
In life, I'm currently handling 3 businesses together.
4 actually. I mean, you helped me out also with Simba.
YouTube plus
YouTube,
3,
sorry.
Yeah, YouTube plus 3 businesses. I just watched where you put the concealer here, but I didn't see how you blended until where you blended.
Okay, next. Does Aditya click your pictures for Skion?
For Skion, for Insta, everything.
For Simba?
For Simba,
For YouTube?
all of them.
Yeah. So before, I think 5 years तो हो गए ना तुझे मेरे photos लेके. So basically, every image that you see on Instagram since the last 5 years are taken by Aditya only, mostly. उसके पहले my mom used to take all of my pictures, but my mom retired and Aditya chipped in. So Aditya doesn't have any like qualification in photography or videography. He just watched a bunch of YouTube videos as to how to operate a camera, and yeah.
I'm done with the concealer. इसमें भी waste हो गया थोड़ा सा, एक drop.
बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है. Please show them. There is so much wastage. क्या करूँ मैं अभी इसका? तुझे
डाल
लगाना
दे
है?
वापस बॉटल में, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Next we're doing powder. बराबर. He only told ना. I didn't say powder. है.
ऑर्डर मेरे को मालूम है कैसे करना है वो.
बोल अभी ऑर्डर बोल जरा जल्दी से.
पहले तो मॉइस्चराइजर, फिर फाउंडेशन, कंसीलर, पाउडर, उसके बाद ब्लश, हाइलाइटर, आईब्रोज, आई शैडोज, मस्कारा ऑप्शनल, मस्कारा लाइनर, और फिर लास्ट में लिपस्टिक.
Perfect. Good. Okay, go on.
ऑर्डर पता है.
He watched a bunch of videos the whole morning. That's what he was doing. So abhi he's doing powder. So I'm not gonna ask any question because I feel like powder मेरे आँख में चले जाएगा. So I'm not gonna say anything. Just do it. I'm gonna look up. ठीक है? Wow. Love this new technique. Tell me, what is your favorite thing like when it comes to makeup on girls? Like, what do you like?
What do you like as in?
Like, what kind of makeup do you like on girls?
Basic, simple.
Please give details. Like what? Like pink lipstick, kajal, eyeliner, कुछ तो wing eyeliner, whatever. Tell.
Wing eyeliner.
Then, come on, काम करते करते.
Wing eyeliner, lipstick, I think nude, maybe.
Red lipstick.
Okay, see, I can't tell anyone what makeup to do or what not.
What do you like? I said, don't be politically correct.
I like a basic makeup.
Okay.
like nothing fancy.
When have you seen me applying blush like that?
I don't know. But anyway, मुझे blush इतना नहीं पसंद है.
तो फिर क्यों लगाया? जरूरी नहीं था लगाना.
ऐसा नहीं होता है. एक पैटर्न होता है जो फॉलो करते हैं. देख इधर. हो पिकाचू लग रहा है. पिकाचू. थोड़ा क्यूट है बट थोड़ा जोकर है.
Wow, what a combination.
We move on to the next step, that is highlighter.
Okay.
It's the most dangerous of them all. Because if
Yeah.
this goes wrong, you'll end up full chamku.
That is true.
अब ये क्या है?
He's confused about this.
ये क्या है?
Highlighter है.
ऐसा? I don't know how this product even works. What is this?
Figure it out. Love, hate, and tolerate about each other. What do you love about like my personality? What do you hate
तू
about?
आंसर कर पहले.
Okay.
मैं हाइलाइटर लगा रहा हूँ.
So I'm gonna start
तेरे
with.
मुंह पे.
Let me.
Sorry.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with what I on my forehead.
थोड़ा सा इधर रहे. ये लाइन पे.
So what I hate is that he is not punctual. Not the most punctual. He's not terrible, but he's not the
5-10
most.
मिनट ऊपर नीचे इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम चलता ही चलता है.
नहीं चलता.
चल रहे.
So he's going in with the fingers again. Is this pop enough for you?
I guess.
This is what I look like.
It's a new technique, guys. Follow me for more makeup tutorials.
So as I was saying, hate ठीक है चल एक ही बोलूँगी. Tolerate is how stubborn you are. I can tolerate that because कभी-कभी वो it's not always negative. Like
It works out in your favor.
Yeah, sometimes it works out in our favor. And what I love is very easy. I love how ambitious you are. I mean, I also personally am ambitious because of him. So I would like to give him credit for that. Before this, I was ambitious, but like very basic ambitious. Like I wanted to do something for myself a little bit and bas utna hi tha. But now I feel like I'm much more ambitious because of you. Because of how ambitious you are. So it's rubbed off on me. Ab tera chance hai. Bolo.
मैं क्वेश्चन ही भूल गया.
What do you love, hate and tolerate about me?
What I love is how much of a perfectionist you are. Like she needs everything to be perfect. I mean that is the thing I love and hate about her. Yeah.
True.
Because in some things like I know that unless it's perfect she will not go ahead with it, which is very good for business and for YouTube and Instagram. But other than that I hate it because until it is perfect she will not do anything else. She will not let anyone do that. She will herself also not do it. But ये perfect नहीं तब तक नहीं कर पाएंगे. And then we have to reschedule everything and push it ahead. So that gets on my nerves sometimes. But I know it's for the better.
Yeah.
Because she knows the best about all of this, so I don't fight her on that. And tolerate hunger attacks that she gets.
I'm always hungry.
Always. Every hour or 2 hours भूख लग गया. उसमें भी इतना पिकी और इतना चूज करना है ना उसको.
Yeah, healthy snacks.
Healthy, only healthy.
That's what a lot of people say that I don't eat. Please tell them I do eat a lot.
She eats the whole day.
Yeah. But I eat in like small proportions.
Small quantities. That's
like
why
थोड़ा
she
सा
always-
खा के मैं पेट भर जाता है मेरा.
That's why you're always hungry.
Yeah.
ये हाइलाइटर चल रहा है नहीं चला मेरे को समझ रहा नहीं है. ये कैंसल प्रोडक्ट है. Next.
Next, what's next?
Eyebrow.
Oh my god, this is what I'm the most nervous about. Eyebrow.
Shinchan.
Oh my god.
Shinchan देखा है I think सबने. Let's recreate Shinchan.
Please do my makeup in such a way that I can film after this. Do you think you can do that?
अभी तक जितना रखा है ना उसमें I think you can film.
Yeah.
इसके आगे की गारंटी मैं नहीं दे सकता.
Okay, go.
हैं?
तोड़ दिया मेरा प्रोडक्ट. मतलब ये थोड़ा सा टूटा हुआ ही था. Ready?
I think अब इधर देख एक बार. मेरे को पहले मेरा फुल देखने दे. तेरा चिन को तो मैंने मजबूत रॉयली इग्नोर कर दिया ये साइड थोड़ा.
He's going in both directions like
कुछ
he's
समझ रहा ही नहीं है मेरे को कुछ आ भी नहीं रहा है.
like he's coloring my brows. Literally, oh my god. This is giving me major anxiety. It's okay, but it's for fun. It's okay. You can do it. I don't want to put pressure on you. कर आराम से कर.
Too late.
Too late.
गीला कपड़ा मिलेगा क्या थोड़ा इधर पे पूछने को.
गीला का.
थोड़ा सा से एकदम बाहर है वो एकदम इधर से कुछ मिलेगा क्या. देखा इधर अरे डेंजर हो गया ये तो एकदम.
Oh my god.
रुक, अरे ये क्या मस्त है हमेशा. आई अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रगल नाउ दैट पीपल से एक आईब्रो एकदम मस्त आता है, दूसरा मजनू भाई का पेंटिंग.
I have never heard this description मजनू भाई का पेंटिंग.
मीम्स दिखाता हूँ मैं तो, तू मीम्स देखती नहीं है वैसे भी. उधर देख कैमरा पे. गाइस एज प्रॉमिस शिनचैन.
Really? Is it that bad? So after 10 minutes of him going in my brows, like fixing, pata nahi, I don't know what he was doing, but we're done finally. I don't know what it looks like, but we're done. What is next?
Eyeshadow.
Okay, so basically Aditya showed me this video that he found while he was doing some research, and tell them what you have in mind.
So basically the chapstick that you get for your lips, I saw the girl in the video, she dips that chapstick in the palette and then she applies it on the eyelid.
So he wants to try this hack out. So let's do it. Thank you for ruining my eyeshadow palette in advance.
And chapstick also.
Yeah. So basically I gave him like 7-8 options of eyeshadow palettes. This is the one that he picks, one of the most expensive ones that we have from Huda Beauty.
सस्ती चीजों का शौक हम नहीं रखते.
चलो करो. तो इसके लिए जब उसने ये पिक किया और मुझे मिंट पहनने बोला ना, मैं समझ गई कि मिंटाइज हो रहा है. There's no denying it.
ये भी मिंट है.
Yeah, actually. कुछ हुआ क्या?
थोड़ा थोड़ा सा आ रहा है. अपना चैपस्टिक लगता है ज्यादा स्टिकी है उससे. ये कुछ अजीब ही आ गया. तो मैं इसको ब्लेंड करके देखता हूँ. फिंगर. मुझे जरा आईबॉल फील हो रहा है. दिस इज सो वियर्ड. बहुत नल्ला लिया मैं इसे. फेल है मेरे लिए. ट्राइंग वायरल टिकटॉक हैक्स इज अ फेल फॉर मी.
I think while he's doing his eyeshadow, we can move on to the next question because I feel like this is going to take a while. So tell me, what was your first impression of me?
American.
Oh my god. Please explain that. You can't just say American and leave it at that.
So when she joined the school, she had just come back from the US. So I have been waiting to share this story since forever.
Oh my god.
So she had just come back from the US and she had been there for 1 year, one academic year.
Yeah.
And you know how everyone who goes to US comes back with the accent, you know, like
Oh.
guys.
Oh my god.
So yeah, when teacher asked us to introduce her, so she's like, "Hi everyone, I'm Mridul."
ये बहुत exaggeration है.
अब भी कि अभी स्कूल के वो बैच में से किसी को भी फोन कर रही है, झूठ रहेगा बात तो मैं मान लूंगा मेकअप खराब है. वो शायद रहेगा अभी, but still. So anyone who used to call out her name like, "Arey Mridul," no, it's Mridul. So this was one of my first impression कि ये एकदम hoity toity कोई तो अमेरिकन लड़की आई है, एकदम खुद को टॉप समझने वाली, annoying. And the whole school was, you know, going gaga over her because I don't know why, but I guess people were going gaga, and I was like,
You're so wannabe and pretentious.
What wannabe and pretentious? You were wannabe and pretentious, brother. No. I don't understand Hindi and Marathi.
Guys, ठीक है, maybe I had an accent. I agree to that, but I wasn't rude or anything.
No, never rude. Just everything was with an accent.
अच्छा ठीक है, your impression was that I'm a wannabe.
Not wannabe. US return जो.
मैं जानबूझ के नहीं मारती थी guys.
हाँ, मतलब
Actually था मुझे.
हाँ, पकड़ लेता पब्लिक एक साल में बिल्कुल. Young minds are very impressionable.
I can sense the sarcasm.
Yeah, good.
Whatever. So moving on to my first impression. So actually you won't believe, I think Aditya was the first guy that I saw when I entered our classroom. Do you remember अपना जो classroom था 7th standard का?
Yeah.
उसमें he was sitting on the table and he was playing hand cricket. Do you remember वो जो खेलते थे जो भी था? I don't even remember. Everyone was playing that. And he was the first guy that I saw from our class, and he like was wearing the same thing. हम लोग का school uniform was a white shirt and we had a blazer also, but I think you had removed the blazer क्योंकि I think AC on होता था only after the class, like first lecture, right? ऐसा कुछ था ना. हाँ, तो सब लोग सुबह blazer निकाल के ही बैठते थे. So he didn't have his blazer on, but later on I came to know that you were the commander of the school at that point, na? So that was school captain, yeah. So I was impressed. And also I found out that you were like really smart, so I was impressed by that. But that was only like my only impression, because we didn't speak as such. He never spoke to me for like 2 years. I also didn't speak to him as such for 2 years. So as
हाँ मतलब बेसिक सिर्फ स्कूल में जितना
hi
बात
bye
करते हैं,
हाँ,
hi,
क्योंकि
bye.
I was in a different friend group, he was in a different friend group, and both our friend groups were kind of enemies almost, you can say.
Kind of.
Yeah, cool. हो गया तेरा eyeshadow?
I guess एक थोड़ा भयंकर लग रहा है दूसरे से, but I think it's fine. बहुत लाइट लग रहा है ये कलर, पकड़
तो
रहा है।
और डाल?
और ब्राइट करो क्या उसको? I don't know. I'm thinking should I go for a dark look or should I go for a light?
I thought you mentioned earlier in the video you're going for a what? What शादी look you said?
Indian wedding.
Indian wedding look. तो करो फिर bright. So cut to 15 minutes later.
I think I'm happy with it now.
Guys, this video that you're watching is probably maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes का होगा, but this took us probably 3 hours to film because Aditya is taking so long.
मुझे लग रहा है टाइम. मैं सोच रहा हूँ पीकॉक बनाओ कि नहीं बनाओ. नहीं, डायरेक्टली विल गो टू लिपस्टिक.
Nothing else on the eyes. Mascara also you don't want to do.
I want to, but it's very.
Yeah, anyway, to be honest, guys, I am committed to making this video, but I don't think I can let anyone do my mascara. I'm too scared.
It's very.
It's dangerous.
also.
But do you want me to just apply it quickly?
Do the mascara.
But then I can't see the mirror, na. I can apply it without the mirror. That's not a problem for me.
I'll guide you.
No thanks, I can manage. You can answer the next question.
Yeah.
Till then. So the next question is actually kind of funny. Someone asked ki, are you guys ready for new people in your group? Like, will you allow new people in your group? What do you have to say to that?
Allow as in there will obviously be new people coming in the group.
Exactly.
Like everyone's.
Girlfriends,
wives.
spouse, partner, eventually.
So yeah.
अभी हम लोग 8 लोग हैं. Eventually 1, 2, 3
आएंगे सबके
4 और 4 लोग तो आएंगे potentially.
आराम से. तो yeah, so obviously.
कम पकड़ रही हूँ, मे बी ज्यादा ही होगा.
This is Huda Beauty.
Yes. Did you just pick it because it was Huda Beauty? चलो तो फिर लगाओ.
मतलब सब दिखने में तो न्यूड शेड सेम ही लगते हैं, ये तुझे ही अलग अलग लग रहे हैं. क्या है ये? This is Venus from Huda Beauty.
Which is, by the way, one of my favorite lipsticks.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And this is a gloss.
Gloss. I have a gloss, but I don't ever wear gloss. Which is okay. It's fine. I'm okay with it. तो पहले ये लगाओगे फिर ऊपर gloss. I think the last question, because we're almost done with lipstick.
I think I should have taken वो मम्मी लोगों के पास लिपस्टिक रहते हैं ना.
Bullet lipstick.
Bullet.
Because this will be more tricky.
हाँ.
Too late. The last question is, how do दौड़ में बोल लेती हूँ. How do you manage your personal and professional life, being friends? Like, how do you work together? चल start लगा. I feel like we need to get.
इसका सबटाइटल टाइपिंग नहीं करने वाला हूँ मैं. तू बोल ले पहले.
नहीं कर तू.
अरे तूने पूरा स्प्रेड कर दिया ऊपर अभी.
ऐसे तो करना ही होता है ना.
वो मैं बोलूंगा तब ना. I don't know how to answer this, but
Because we don't balance our professional and private.
kind of.
Last night we were working till like 1:30 in the morning. At night, morning. 1:30 is in the
Morning.
Morning.
So I think we don't have a balance of professional and personal life. So
Yeah.
I don't think we can answer that.
We need to get better.
साइड में लग गई. करो आकर.
Speed it up.
क्या जल्दी कर, तेरे को क्या ट्रेन पकड़ने की कि क्या करने का है?
I am over it, guys, at this point.
Any other question?
Are you done? Was this the last step? No, I'm done with my questions. Do you have anything else left? Setting spray?
I don't know what that is. Huh?
Even I don't use it, so it's okay. It was a trick question.
That is out of syllabus.
Come on, I want to see a way.
रुक ना. थोड़ा सा इधर पे वो तेरा मस्कारा का ये लगा है.
हाँ, that's because I applied it without seeing a mirror, ना. उतना ठीक है. I'll take that blame on me. So are we done? This lip gloss actually tastes really yummy. Do you want to try? Please.
उल्टा नहीं हो रहा है ये.
Please, सिर्फ gloss है, color.
उस पे वो लिपस्टिक लगी है.
कुछ नहीं होगा, थोड़ा सा, सिर्फ एक बार. Does it not taste yummy? Cherry. Okay. Comment down below if you guys want me to do his makeup. Okay. Can I see abhi? Grab me a mirror. Let's do the final reveal. Oh yeah, okay.
James Charles palette.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I mean, to be honest, minus the brows, everything else looks pretty good. Like I would actually be able to film a video, like, but I would like need to sit and correct a few things. Brows I will have to correct because it's making like my eyebrows droop या whatever. Eyeshadow actually looks decent.
एक ही चीज है जो अच्छे से आती है मेरे को करने.
My base is also nice. It's looking very oily अभी because अच्छे से तूने powder नहीं किया. But उसके अलावा it's actually pretty good. Let's do a close up for you guys.
The base is not oily, your skin is oily.
और lipstick actually I don't know if you did this intentionally, but it was a very smart move that you picked a very light nude. So he couldn't really mess up on that, and then
Yes,
gloss.
it was a smart move. I did it knowingly.
I don't think so. You did that. It was fluke, but I think worked out pretty well. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you
marks तो दे मेरे को on 10.
7 out of 10, 7.5. Chal.
तो दे.
8 out of 10. Fine. We have one more actually video coming together. Actually two more videos coming together in the coming months. So subscribe and that's it. Bye.